A lot of people tell me that I should be happy being single. As I walk the path at Holy Episcopal Church in D-Land, I would like to take a moment to reflect on something. That I should be completely happy with just being a single dad and enjoying my kids. My kids make me probably, I'd say about 80% happy. Okay, there's always that part of me that feels like something is missing. I think there probably is for you too. Being a single parent doesn't mean that you have to be fully satisfied. There's things in your life that could very well be missing. Things like, romantic intimacy and connection, belonging with someone, goals and future plans, and just moving on with life. You don't always have to be single just because you're a parent. Yeah, sure, your kids probably make you happy, but are you truly fully satisfied just being a single parent? What has gone wrong in your life that you think you shouldn't want a significant other? Maybe you can tell me in the comments. Are you fully satisfied just being a single parent, or is something missing? Let me know.